Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're just gonna look at how to change the events preview in your Craigslist account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in right now, it's quite easy. And if you guys don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's move on to the main topic of the video, simply changing the events viewing. Right now I'm just going to the event calendar right here. And as you can see, all of these postings are in the format of a list. Let's just say I want to view them differently. Just below the search events, here's a button like this that says list. I'm gonna click on it. Then it's gonna give me a few options, that is thumb, preview, grid, gallery, and map. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the events preview in Craigslist. It's quite easy. From here, simply select the preview of your choice. And guys, that's about it. That's how we change the events preview. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.